construction industry is the backbone of a country's economic growth. Every day we face a number of challenges in this sector. What are the challenges that we face regarding steel usage? Let's hear some of you talk about the issues.
So even if we have a stock of more than 200 tons, 300 tons at site, there were situations when we were not be able to even complete one foundation. For each and every foundation, at least 4 to 5 sizes of TMT bars will be required. And all these TMT bars have to be sourced from the main producer. Like say we had to earlier go to Steel Authority for 16 mm, maybe for 12 mm we had to go to RNL, for 8 mm we have to go to Tata. Because it is very difficult to get all these sections at one point of time from a single source. Earlier, this steel was a major headache for us. And our customer will always be after us that what a company you are, that you don't have a steel.
When we take from any other supplier, we have to take full length.
Right.
And that is not what we actually require. It is as per the drawings that we get.
Right.
So we have been losing, lot of steel in that vertex. You can say yes, we resell it, we can get money back, but actually that never happens. There are always problems in transmission line with cut and bend steel. The most important part was, the bending part, the angle inclination that as per the bar bending schedule. When we are getting it done from site level, we are not, we cannot assure that it will be as per the drawings 100%.
With deliver the quality, the good building with quality. That's why we must achieve the target of the quality.
सबसे मेन चीज है लेबर स्कार्सिटी, मेनली मार्च से स्टार्ट होकर के जून तक चलता है. उस पीक आवर्स में हमें लेबर स्कार्सिटी फील हुआ.
Getting labor, timely labor is a problem, especially with a lot of projects in Bangalore. There's too many projects going on.
Area is very congested and fast track job. Population density is more denser area.